So the first step in perfecting your acid-alkaline balance is to measure your first morning urine. I'm going to quickly tell you how to do that. We've written a lot on it. You can find many documents on Alkaline for Life. But here's what you do. You just simply, you go to bed, you sleep, you don't eat anything after you go to bed. You can drink water if you want in the night. When you get up in the morning, when you get up to stay, in the morning, you measure your first morning urine. You just take a little pH strip or a little pH paper. You quickly dip it into the urine. I take a paper towel and I just put it right down. And you measure it very quickly. The trick is to read the color quickly. You're looking for a 6.5 to 7.5. Will give you a sight greenish color. That's all there is to it. If you wake up in the middle of the night, say at 3 o'clock and urinate, don't worry, just measure the first morning urine when you get up to stay. And remember, if your pH is extremely high, like 8, and it's consistently high, then that's a separate issue. That is not excess alkalinity, it's really a false alkalinity. And we'll have other videos on that particular peculiarity where a person is so acid that the body is breaking down muscle in order to produce ammonia to make a strong base. Basically, we're looking for 6.5 to 7.5. We don't worry about occasional, if it's lower, sometimes higher, sometimes. But if it's consistently lower, work to alkalize. If it's way above 8, then we should talk about it.